Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the December 2025 Curated Bead Box to share with you all today. I have a coupon code for the Curated Bead Box. It's Teresa35, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. So it looks like the theme this month is Winter Vineyard. Open it up here and take a little peek, and then I'll sort everything out. It looks like they've got, wow, that's the big, I think that's the necklace size memory wire. They always have memory wire in their finding starter kit, but this is the big that I think you use for necklaces. I've never made a memory wire necklace. And then they always have a finding starter kit in every box, which is really neat. It makes it where you can pretty much make jewelry straight out of the box. You just need some jewelry tools. And there's a little peek at the beads in there. So hold on, I'll sort everything out. I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now, and first is the Findings Starter Kit. It always alternates between silver and gold. This time it's in silver. I've got some crimp beads and some jump rings and some head pins, some lobster clasps, bead stringing wire, and memory wire. This is the bracelet size memory wire, and some stretchy string. So that makes it really handy. You can pretty much make jewelry directly from the box. You just need some jewelry pliers. And then in the strands, first, if I've got these colors right, I'm never sure about these things. But these, I think this is an 8-inch strand of 10mm red/brown swirl marble style glass beads. These are really pretty. And there's 4 strands of 10mm beads. I need to zoom back out so you can see this. 2 of them say 8 inches long, and 2 of them say 6 inches long, but these other 3 are all this length. So I think the other 3 are all 6 inches long. This one's 8. And if I've got this right, these are the 10mm green blossom spray glass beads. And those are really pretty. Got those blue spots on them there. Really, really pretty. And then next, I think these are the 10mm khaki duo style glass beads. I think. And then last in the 10mm strands is 10mm dark red/gray duo style glass beads. They're really pretty. And then there's a 10.5-inch strand of 8mm drizzled deep silver glass beads. Those are really pretty. Love that drizzled effect on there. And then last in the strands is a 16-inch strand of 6mm white glass pearl beads. Got them all in my hand here. There we go. Those are really pretty. And then next are It's a 1 ounce bag of 6-0 white opaque glass seed beads. This is really neat, good for stringing. Use little spacers in your stringing. And then next are 6 20 by 12 millimeter milky white pressed glass drop beads. And I had a eye pen out, and I don't know what I did with it, so I'm going to try to find another one here. There we go. The hole goes through there like that. They're really pretty. Big chunky drop beads. And then next are 12 10 millimeter silver iron spacer beads. They're really pretty, big spacer beads. There's 12 of those. And then next it says large crystal glass bead mix, 4 beads. So there's 2 big round ones here. Oh, these are the holes drilled through the top like that. And then there's these square ones here where the hole is drilled diagonally like that. There's 2. Oops. That's got a big hole in it. My pen wouldn't hold it because it's got such a big hole. So there's 2 of each, 2 of the round and 2 of the, it's a square, but the hole is drilled diagonally. And then there are 3 52 by 10 millimeter silver long metal pendants. They're really neat. And then last is the memory wire, the necklace memory wire that I saw when I opened the box. It's 1 millimeter silver necklace memory wire, and it's 10 spirals. That's really cool. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the December 2025 curated bead box called Winter Vineyard. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope you all have a great day. Take care.